Hello, welcome to another edition of Marc Shaves. Today I'm going to be using the Merkur 34 razor and what is that? The Feathers blade with a smoked boar brush, and I'm using the Lather and Wood shave soap here. And every time I use this, I end up falling more in love with it. So, as you can see, it makes a really good lather. Let's go ahead and get rolling. Man, this stuff just comes out good. As a matter of fact, I would rate this better than the Mitchell's Wool Fat, because I can actually make a good bowl lather with this. Really good bowl lather. And it just does such a good job of coating my hair and coming out evenly, and just makes your face feel great. So, if you're looking into it, this is some good shit. Or some good stuff, excuse me. Good stuff here. All right. All right. Okay. Like I said, man, this stuff is amazing. Lather and Wood. I will be buying that one again. Feathers blade, Merkur 34 razor. Let's get after it. Boy, I can really tell this Feathers blade. It's such a good job. Oh man, this feels good. No tugging whatsoever, and there's like nothing left after the first pass. I'm sure we'll have to do some more. Let's get under the nose. I mean, you don't even have to push down hard. You just get it on and go. All right. Sorry, I hear family or American Dad in the background, and it's got me. It laughed. Oh, funny as hell. But man, this Feathers blade just does such a good job. I think I've found my favorite blade, favorite mix to go with now. What I can judge everybody else to and buy. Because it seems like every other one of those blades, I just get a little stubble here, a little stubble there, and I just can't get it. It drives me nuts to have any kind of stubble. Because you don't want no girl, rubbing up on your face and then getting all that stubbly crap on them, and then that'll turn them off real quick. I don't know, some of it might turn on, but get a little bit. All right, first pass is wrapped up. Did a really good job, phenomenal job. But I have come to expect nothing less from the Feathers blades. The Feathers blades do the best job, in my opinion. They're the sharpest blade. If you want to put them in the aggressive razor, you can. And you get a really good shave out of that. Or if you want to take it a little bit more slow with the 34 or the 38 like I'm doing today, and you can also do it that way. But all right, here's going to be pass number 2. Again, great lather from the Lather and Wood product. I'm going to have to email that lady back and tell her, man, this is some good stuff. Maybe they'll give me some free stuff one day. Too bad I wasn't like a big celebrity and could say, give me free stuff. And then they would. Because I'd say, I'll promote it. Okay, pass number 2. I'm going to go against the grain this way. Okay, now for the neck, I'm going to go up and down. Oh wow, that feels good. No pulling, no tugging. Whew. All right, there's pass number 2. That went really well. I don't know. There might be a little bit left under my chin I gotta get, but if I would have used that 37 razor, it definitely would have got it. But it might would have gave me a little razor burn. Yeah, I can do another pass. Nope. Won't hurt nothing. All right. We're going to go past number 3. And again, I'm using the Lather and Wood with the Smoked Boar brush. And it just does such a wonderful job. We'll get past number 3 wrapped up here. My face is completely just under my nose. Well. Okay. And you see how quick it was just to lather up and get rolling? This is some good stuff. Okay, last pass I'm going to go against the grain again. trying not to run over my skin too many times without the soap on there. This stuff just makes it glide so easily. I guess that's really the purpose, isn't it? Ooh, look at my face. Probably go one more pass. Just to make sure I got everything. Man, this feathers blade. You know, I don't remember the cost of them. I think they're like 30 cents a piece, but you know, as good as they work, they're really worth it. I've been able to get 2 shaves out of them, but if I even could only get 1 shave out of them, I'd probably still use them. They're that good. All right, that's lathered up real good. Let's go ahead and make one last pass just to get it all knocked out. Just in case there's anything lagging. It's gone. All right, that's it. That wraps us up. Shave did great. The blade was awesome. Again, feathers, just can't really go wrong with a feathers blade in my opinion. Because I have really stubbly hair that just doesn't, nothing else can get, but for some reason that razors can, or the feathers can. So, all right, now I'm gonna put on a little bit of aftershave, the Brood aftershave. And actually, let me change it up a little. I'm gonna go with the Old Spice today. And I hope you have a wonderful day with a wonderful shave. And join me here again. I'll probably use the feathers blade again just to see if I can for a second time. Actually, nah. I'll change blades. I'll get a different blade. But y'all join in tomorrow and we'll see how the shave goes. All right, y'all have a good one.